Mixing purples can be easy when you know how. So along the top I've got ultramarine, which is a purple based blue, cerulean blue, which is green based, intense or phthalo blue, which is a dark green based, alizarin crimson, which is a purple based red, permanent rose, which is a purple based red, and cadmium red, which is a orange based red. So for a bright purple you want the blue that's got purple in and the red that's got purple in. So we're going to use ultramarine and alizarin crimson, and you'll see I've got a really vibrant working colour there. The more blues I put in, the punchier it gets. But I can make an even brighter purple using the permanent rose because it's a pinky, more vibrant purple based red. It allows the white of the paper through more, and look at that glow. Isn't it amazing? For a mid purple we just need to keep one of the purple based colours, so we'll keep the alizarin crimson and then we'll add the green based blue. So here we've got cerulean blue being added to it, and that gives quite a nice blue, quite a nice purple, but slightly towards the grey. Now again we'll keep the crimson for a mid purple again, and we'll try it with the intense blue. Now it is intense, you only need a tiny bit. Look how dark that is. I'll have to add more crimson to balance that out a bit, but that gives nice rich deep but mid purple tones. I can do it another way though. Remember, for a mid colour we need to keep one of the purple based colours, so I'm keeping the purple based blue, which is ultramarine, but using cadmium red, which is orange based, and that's a lovely colour for sort of an aubergine colour, good for skies and sunsets. What about dull purples? Right, we'll use the orange based red, cadmium red, because there's no purple in it, and use cerulean blue. And you can see there, if I add more cerulean I get really interesting dull purples, but actually quite greyed purples. And one more try with cadmium red again, which is orange based, and we'll try it with a little bit of intense blue. Look at the difference there. That's really grey, that purple. Really good for wintry skies. So you can do this with any paint as long as they're purple based reds or orange based reds or purple based blues and green based blues. So why not give it a go?